Got an SLW file connected to your flight simulator setup? This contains scenery data that shapes the virtual world you fly through. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install and manage these flight simulation scenery files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the SLW archive, even if it can't fully extract it. SLW files are scenery library files for Microsoft Flight Simulator, containing terrain textures, elevation data, building placements, and environmental objects that define the visual landscape. They store geographic region scenery used to render realistic flight environments during simulation sessions. Flight Simulator SLW scenery files use a binary structure storing terrain mesh data, texture references, autogen building configurations, seasonal variation layers, and LOD level of detail hierarchy definitions for efficient rendering at varying altitudes and distances. The reference software for validating SLW integrity is Microsoft Flight Simulator from Microsoft Corporation. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows shows basic attributes only, so actual content must be opened in the game or in mod utilities. Your first test is essential. Right-click the SLW file and select Open With. Use Microsoft Flight Simulator first if it is on your system. If not, select another option. We must find the program that handles the format correctly. If the SLW file is still refusing to open, it's expected. This SLW file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, installing scenery add-ons. Copy the SLW file to Microsoft Flight Simulator's Scenery Add-on directory. Open the simulator and navigate to Settings, then Scenery Library to register the new scenery package. Enable the scenery layer and restart the flight to load the enhanced landscape rendering. Next, managing scenery priority. Configure scenery layer priority in the scenery library settings to control which add-on landscapes take precedence over default terrain. Higher priority layers override lower ones in overlapping areas. Arrange SLW scenery packages in the correct order to achieve the desired visual environment. Finally, troubleshooting display issues. If scenery does not appear correctly, verify the SLW file is placed in the proper directory and registered in the scenery library. Check for conflicting scenery add-ons covering the same geographic area. Rebuild the scenery index if terrain appears missing or displays default textures instead of custom content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.